cars.
Where are we, buddy?
At a green bus. So this Trane XC14 is running. Just turned on before I turned on the camera. Some units right here, so I got to carry a gas pack. I can't get that. This is my unit. Hot to Bryant office time. See what kind of questions that. Wait, this thing's gonna turn on. Okay, this care comfort's running this time. Cool. I can't know what character it has. Yeah, I got this going here. This one just shut off. Yeah, it's been running. And I actually got a Care Comfort logo. Yeah, I teardrop. Yeah, this is a heat pump. Yeah, I know, it's like a crystal. We got this one. This one just turned on. And this one's off. I got those units. I'm not going in there. Because, yeah, I'm not going in there. Just look. Hi, Dexter Sandors. Today, I'm getting out of video because my video actually stopped. So yeah, got the other Trane XC14. Now it's been running. Yeah. I'll take some of you and running. That's Goodman. Can't go back there. It's the Trane and the Goodmans.
You're filming a scaffold?
Yeah, there's a scaffold up there. Hi, Dexter Sanders today. I'm gonna make another video of Asher's, that part one. Oh, I got a Care Comfort unit. Yeah, it's running. This one's also running. This one's running too, but did it die? No. Huh. That's weird. Running too. Okay, we got these units. 2 Care Comforts in New York. This one was running, but I just shut it off. AC hat was running. Yeah. That's how they go inside that way. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is the one I got the logo from. I'm not sure if this one is still hooked up power, but I don't know. This one and this one are still hooked up power. Look at these units. It makes it our Heritage 14 and the Bryant Pyrons. Yeah, hope he's running. None of them are running. That's sad. Well, that one's a Carrier. That one's a Carrier, but the back one is Bryant. I have to make sure Heritage 14. Yeah, the Carrier Pyron. Yeah, there's Heritage 14. Another Carrier Pyron. And the Bryant Pyron. Yeah. Oh, I hear a train. Well, it's not our best catch. We got the Goodman Scout series and Goodman Desert series. Sheriff or whatever they are. Yeah, we're running. Yeah, there's a train. We got that one running. Favorite junkies also from these units. We got that one running. And we got these units. the carrier trailers. Easy place to cooling tower. And the Bryants. Or carrier type 2000, whatever they are. Yeah, none of them are running. I'm on the running saddle.
You go up here?
Let's go up here. I don't know where that sink is now. Hi, Dexter Sands and more here. So today, I forgot to film these. I took care of the knives in the train. I don't know what that was. To see the video of those units. How the carriers. Or carriers. And what they have. I know. Hope any of these are running. Yeah, I'm social media out there, but I can't go to them. Here are the Swift tops. Here I got the units here. How did we jump to that fan? Can't reach up there. It's too high. How many families it had?
I don't know. You can watch the video later.
Okay. Yeah, these are brand new. Play some more. Carry them nice. These started, they scare me. Some's actually newer. I believe actually this one's from 2019. This one's from 2018. Yeah, this might be from the late 2000s or the 90s, whatever. Yeah.